Guys, so today I'm going to teach you the Ortega method on the 2x2. So the Ortega method, you just solve one layer, it doesn't matter what's the first layer, and then you solve the top layer, and then you use one algorithm to solve the rest. So the tutorial is actually how to do it is pretty easy. So you just solve one layer. You probably should first learn beginner method first, and so first one layer, and then now I have to show you all the OLS. So this is called a T case, where these there's I guess headlight on the top, I guess, and then and then it just looks like this. Then you do, and then now if it's like this, where it's called a U case, so these two headlights and these two headlights. And then this case, where there's a headlight here and here, you have to hold them so that it's on the front. And then next is this case, where you have these two that are not headlights and these two headlights on the left. And then now this case, where it's also called a fish case sometimes, but also known as soon. So when this is facing you and this is on the left. And then when it's on the right but is facing you, then you have to do left-handed. And now I will have to teach you the PBLO. So first I will teach you this PBLO. So when these two have to swap and these two corners have to swap like this and this, you put that on the back and make sure so that both of the solved pieces are like on the front. For example, it's fine if it's kind of like this is fine. So just do this algorithm. And that was just a UFI. And then next is this algorithm, which is where these two have to swap. These two have to swap, and these two have to swap. Let's see. So okay, maybe I can show you again. R2, F2, R2, and then the next I'll show you this case. So where on the top there's a bar here, but it's a opposite swap on the bottom. You just hold the top bar on your front. It doesn't matter how it is, and then do this algorithm. And then next, I'm gonna teach you this algorithm. So where these two only have to swap. You could also use the J perm, but I'm gonna teach you the T perm. So. And the next is the opposite swap only on the top. Thanks for watching.